Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to keep your translations consistent and on brand using DeepL Glossaries. This feature is incredibly useful when you have specific terminology or brand names that need to be translated the same way every single time. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to DeepL.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in to your DeepL account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the advanced features, including the glossary tool we'll be using today. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look over to the right side of your screen and you'll see an option labeled Glossaries. Click on it to access the glossary management section. This is where you'll be able to create, edit, and manage all your custom translation glossaries. Next, you'll want to create a new glossary. Click on the button that says New Glossary to get started. This will open up a menu with different options for creating your glossary. From the options that appear, click on Create a Glossary manually. This option allows you to input your own custom terms and their translations, giving you full control over how specific words are handled. After selecting this, click Continue to move forward with the setup. Now you'll be prompted to give your glossary a name. Enter a descriptive name that helps you identify what this glossary is for. For example, you might name it marketing terms or product names depending on your needs. This makes it easier to manage multiple glossaries if you work with different projects or languages. Next, select your source language in the first field. For example, you might choose English as your starting language. Then input the word or term you want to define. This could be a brand name, technical term, or any phrase that needs consistent translation. After that, move to the next field and select your target language. For instance, you might choose German. Then input the exact translation you want DeepL to use for that term. This ensures that whenever this word appears in your translations, it will always be translated exactly as you've specified, maintaining consistency across all your content. Once you've entered your terms, click Create Glossary to save your new glossary. The system will process your entries and add them to your account, making them available for use in all future translations. Now, here's where the magic happens. Whenever you input the first word you defined into DeepL's translator, it will automatically translate it according to the specific meaning you set in your glossary. This eliminates any guesswork and ensures your brand terminology stays consistent across all your translated content. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom glossary in DeepL that will keep your translations consistent and on brand. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.